Hello everyone and welcome to ERA tutorial. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 7 subject English unit 2 topic 2.1 from a railway carriage. From a railway carriage faster than it's a very beautiful poem, means whatever you are observing from a railway carriage whenever you are traveling somewhere at long distance, at that time you enjoys outside the window of the railway and outside the window of the railway carriage. So this is the poem related to that only. So let us start with poem. Faster the fare is faster than witches. That means railway is faster than ferries also and witches also. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. So which things railway is crossing? Bridges and houses. So many bridges railway is crossing because railway goes to long distance. So bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. Hedges means a thickest bushes, means whatever bushes are there, trees are there. Then ditches mean drainage are there. All these things railway is crossing and charging along like troop in a battle. Like a troop in a battle. That means when the troop is ready to do fight with anyone, like that railway is also always ready to chase all the stations. All through the meadows, the horses and the cattle. Means sometimes you can see bridges outside the railway carriage, houses. Sometimes you can see thickest bushes, sometimes drainage, sometimes uh, means spread, what we can say, grounds full with grass, that is called meadows, and where the horses and cattle are grazing. So that all this scenery we can see from the railway carriage. All of the sides means whatever we are watching of the hills and plains, means sometimes hills are there, sometimes plains are there. Fly as thick, means as railway has a high speed, everything is flying as driving rain, means like a rain, it flies away, it goes, moves fast and ever again in the wink of an eye. That means the time in which you just close and open your eyes, all these things are running. Painted stations whistle by. That means many of the stations are also moving. If the express is there, express do not wait or do not stop at the small stations. So small stations are also running along the railway carriage. Here is a child who clambers and scrambers. Scramber means to climb, scramber means to move hurriedly to a location, all by himself, and gathering brambles. Bramble means thorny shrubs. Here is a tramp. Tramp means a homeless, who stand and gaze, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Daisies means beautiful white color flowers. So here is a child. What child is doing? Child is climbing, child is moving, and child want to go to the location, and that's why child is in the means hurriedly he is moving towards the location. And what he thinks, what the things he observing from the railway carriage? So he stands and gaze, means observe, and there is the green for stringing the daisy, means it is like a greenery is there and daisy flowers are there. Here is a cart, run away in the road, lumping along. Lumping means stick out, stick together. Okay. So here poet want to say here is a cart. That means cart means all the carriages of the railway, lumping along with the man and load. So railway carriage, that means engine carries all the carriages which are having human beings, loads and everything. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. That means glimpse means a brief look. Whenever you are taking a brief look, and if you want to take another look, immediately it goes and it gone forever. That means you cannot see the same scenery again from the railway carriage. So here poet has described very beautifully what things we are experiencing, what things we are observing from the railway, and how one can enjoy the journey with the railway. So I hope that you might have understood this poem. If you have any difficulty, please write down in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see the videos of class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 related to subject English of Maharashtra State Board. Thank you.